Hello everyone, Science Standard 8, Lesson number 2, Health and Diseases. This is third video of this lesson. In today's part, we shall study some important diseases of a present day. Before we begin, let's once again look at the definition of infectious disease and try to understand it. Infectious disease spread to contaminated air, water, food or vector. Vector means insects and other animals are called infectious diseases. Contaminated means impure. Before we start with some important disease of a present day, let's answer of a few questions. Can you tell how can we observe person hygiene? Think student. Okay, the answer is here. We can observe person hygiene by brushing the teeth twice a day, having a bath daily, cutting nails, wearing clean clothes, etc. The next question is, why should we drink boiled water in rainy season? The answer is here. During rainy season, there are many germs present in water. Most of them are disease causing pathogens. Hence, we should drink boiled water. The next question is, why the clean hands drive is run in school? The answer is here. The clean hands drive is run in school in order to maintain personal and community hygiene. Okay. Now let's begin with some important disease of a present days. The first one is dengue. See children, see the picture which is on screen. Mosquito lay their eggs in waterlogged places and thereby their population increases. Now waterlogged places means a place filled with water. Now I have given example which is placed on screen. There you can see a tire and between by the tire there is an empty space. You can see in the picture that space is filled with water. In such water, mosquito lay their eggs and that is the reason their population increases and causing number of diseases. Different species of mosquitoes spread different diseases. Dengue is spread by Aedes aegypti. This disease is caused by DEN14 viruses belonging to the types flavivirus. You can see on a screen. The symptoms of dengue, the first symptoms, acute fever and headache, vomiting, pain in eye socket is very prominent symptom. Prominent symptom means it's very important symptoms. Decrease in platelet count that may lead to internal hemorrhage. Now hemorrhage means bleeding inside the body and that is the reason we get such a spot you can see on a screen. This is a short activity where we have to find out the answer for this. Okay, you can observe the pictures carefully and answer the question. In this picture, what kind of preservative measures we have to take, that is given. So you can see in the picture We should wear long sleeve shirts and long pant, so it will prevent us from mosquito bite. Throw away, turn over, empty any container, cooler, tire that accumulates rainwater, so it will stop the growth of a mosquito. Always place a tight lid on the container, and we can also sprinkle disinfectant so that it will stop the growth of a mosquito. We can use the mosquito coil. It will prevent us from mosquito bite. So these are the pictures given in this activity, and you have to fill the boxes by giving such kind of answers. So this activity is given in your textbooks, so you have to solve on your own. I have discussed right now, so this video will help to solve this activity in your textbook. The next disease, no, before that, do you know malaria is spread by female Anopheles, while elephantiasis by female Culex. Anopheles and Aedes grows in clean water, while Culex in dirty sewage water. Next is swine flu. Swine flu, reason of an infection. Infection for swine flu occurs through pig and humans. Viruses of swine flu are spread through sweat of infected person. Similarly, it is spread to secretion of nose, throat and saliva. Symptoms of swine flu: difficulty in breathing, sore throat, body pain. Diagnosis of swine flu. For diagnosis of swine flu, liquid from throat of a patient is sent in laboratory. Diagnostic facility are available in National Institute of Virology, NIV, Pune, and National Institute of Communicable Diseases, NICD, Delhi. Do you know the first case of swine flu was reported in Mexico in 2009? Swine flu is caused by the virus influenza A H1N1. Person who come in contact with pigs can contract this disease. Next disease, AIDS, acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. This disease is caused by HIV, human immunodeficiency virus. In this disease, victims suffer from various diseases due to progressive weakening of natural immunity. Because as an immunity is lower and lower, we contract many diseases. Diagnosis of AIDS cannot be confirmed without tests in medical laboratories, which means we cannot say whether the person is suffering from AIDS unless and until the person is diagnosed. ELISA test is used for its proper diagnosis. Symptoms of AIDS are person specific. Do you know HIV was first reported in an African species of monkeys according to the National AIDS Control Program, and UNID means Joint United Nations Program on HIV and AIDS. 80 to 85% HIV infection in India occur through unsafe sexual contacts. Always remember, AIDS does not occur due to the touching and sharing the food with HIV infected person or by nursing the HIV patient. Our behavior with HIV infected person must be normal. Thank you. We will stop here. In the next video, we'll see infection through animals and non-infectious disease. Thank you.